So welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we'll be solving a JEE Mains problem. This problem had come in 2026 January exam. Now, before I start this question, a basic understanding that you need to have before you start the question is you should have a basic understanding of logs. If you don't understand logs, then it will be a difficult question for you to understand. And the formula that I'll be using is, this is the formula from log that I'll be using, that log of a raised to power b is equal to b log a. So this is the formula that I'll be using. So let's start. So there's a function which is given, which is twice differentiable function such that f of 3 is equal to 18, f dash 3 is equal to 0, and f double dash 3 is equal to 4. So this is what is given to us. Okay. Now there is a limit which we have to calculate. Very scary looking limit, but the good news is that there is a log to the base e, log to the base e, log to the base e is also written as ln. So I'll be using this terminology. I'm more comfortable with this terminology. So the good news is that this log is given because that will help us bring this exponential power below. So let's start. So I've solved the question, and I'll take you through the steps one by one because that gives me more time to explain. Okay. So this is what is given to us. Now when I use this log, what it does is this brings this exponential down. So this 18 comes down, and this is log of x plus 2 minus log f3. Now here the property that I've used is that log of a to b is equal to log a minus log b. So this is a formula that you should be aware of. So this is how I have written. Now what I do is, if you look at the question, they are asking us to calculate the limit at x is equal to 1. Now when I put x is equal to 1 in the function, so what happens is this becomes log f of 3 minus log f3. Log f of 3 minus log f3. So the numerator becomes 0. And at x is equal to 1, the denominator is also 0. So this is a form of 0 by 0. So the L'Hopital rule can be used. So numerator is 0, denominator is 0. I can use L'Hopital rule. So for applying L'Hopital rule, what I'll have to do is I'll have to find the differential of the numerator and the differential of the denominator. When I use a differential of this, see, differential of this, because this is a constant, so this will become 0. So differential of this, I'll have to use differential of log function. So this will be equal to f dash x plus 2 upon 1 upon f of x plus 2. So this is my numerator. The differential of this would be twice of x minus 1, which is easy to calculate. So I have written the differential of denominator and the numerator here. And this 18 is waiting outside. Now let's carefully look at this step because there will be few things that I'll be doing here. This 2 and this 18. I'll be dividing this, and there is a 9 which will be waiting outside. Don't forget this 9 because a lot of things will be happening inside. So don't forget this 9. So this is equal to f dash x plus 2 upon f of x plus 2 whole upon x minus 1. Now consider this to be my numerator and this to be my denominator, and I have to calculate the limit at x as x approaches 1. The denominator is again 0. Now look carefully here. I basically need the value of f dash 3 on f of 3. I am putting x is equal to 1. Now f dash 3 is 0. You look carefully here, f dash 3 is equal to 0. So f dash 3. So again my numerator becomes 0. Again I can apply L'Hopital again. Now here you'll have to carefully find the differential of this function. You'll have to carefully find the differential of this function, because see, differential of this would be 1. So that is an easy thing to do, but very carefully you'll have to do this, because you don't want to waste time and there should be no mistake that you should be doing. So carefully do it. So you'll be applying the differential. This is a differential of u by v form. So basically the formula that you'll be using is v square v differential of u minus u differential of v. So this is the formula that you'll be using. And using this, so f of x plus 2, this becomes second differential minus f of dash x plus 2 and second differential of f dash x plus 2 and f of x plus 2 whole square. Again, x minus 1 differential is 1. So that is taken care of. Don't forget this 9. So this 9 is written here. Denominator is 1. Now I have this. So finally, I substitute x is equal to 1 because I have to find the limit at x is equal to 1. So this becomes f of 3, this becomes f double dash f3, this becomes f dash 3 whole upon f of 3 whole square. Now I just have to put the values of all these. So I start putting that, and my answer is 2. So this is the answer. Now, if I look at this, if I looked at this question and if there is something that I need to share, one, you should be very okay. You should be very comfortable with the rules of log. The second thing what I'll suggest is whatever work that you should be doing, uh, don't make any mistake, because you will be spending some time in solving this question. Uh, so at any point, if you make a mistake, whole of your question would be wrong. So very steadily you'll have to do this question. So interesting question. I found this interesting, and hope you also find this good. So let's meet in the next lecture, and question back.